Hello everyone. So today's date is 13th of May 2022, and today we will be discussing about linked hash map in Java. So before going to the topic, we must know about the map. What is map is? Map is actually an interface in the collection which is used to store the data or to store the objects in the form of key value pair. So key is basically a value or integer value which is associated with a particular value which can be in any object like string or any form of data. So as we have know that array list and linked list are there in our collection framework, which are classes, and we have seen that array list uses an array internally to store the elements or to store the objects, and its size will grow automatically, or its size will grow internally whenever required. And same in case of linked list. Linked list we actually store the objects in the heap memory in the sequential manner, or by giving a sequential addresses to the object. So both the array list and linked list have some advantages or some pros and cons, which is that in array list we cannot basically modification of data is very difficult, because whenever if you are wanting to add some data in array list which is greater than your array list capacity, then you have to create a new array list or a new array internally which is bigger than or maybe double size than original one. So it requires a lot of memory, it requires a lot of shifting of data whenever you want to remove the data. When we talk about a linked list stores the objects in the sequential manner, means every object has a particular data and a particular address which refers to the next object, and sequentially it means whenever you want to access the data, you must have to go from the zeroth position or from the zeroth address. So basically searching of a data particularly is very difficult in linked list, or it is a time consuming process. So in map we use both this array list and linked list internally. So basically map will give us a quick searching of a data, quick deletion of a data, quick adding of a data. Mean basically modification of the whole data is very much easy when we go with the map interfaces. And map interfaces has basically three classes. The first is hash map, second is linked hash map, and the third is tree map. Today we will only see what is a linked hash map is. So linked hash map, basically, let's see, hash map stores the element in the key value pair, but it does not maintain any insertion order, because it has an object which is in the form of key and value. So it do not allow a duplicate elements or duplicate objects which is in the form of values. So actually whenever in hash map the data is or objects are stored, they are stored on the basis of their hash code logic. Means every object has a hash code with it, and with that hash code the objects are being stored. But whenever we want to see our data as per our insertion or as per our insertion order, then we must use a linked hash map there, because linked hash map internally uses a linked list, extra linked list, which follows the linked insertion order. So basically linked hash map is same as that of hash map, only difference is that internally an extra linked list is used with the all data, or when you put or add one data or one key and value pair that associated with the linked list, and it will give you an insertion order. So this is why a linked hash map is very much important in Java. So let's see what are the basic, as it is class, linked hash map is basically a class. So it has some methods, it has constructors also. Let's see what are the constructors. As we know that there is a default constructor which is a linked hash map with no parameters. So Basically, it is used to create a default link hash map. Secondly is link hash map with int capacity. So we can create an hash map with a particular size. Then the third one is a link hash map with the int capacity and float fill ratio. There is a term called load factor in maps. Load factor means basically a factor by which an increasing of map is done. Means once let's say you have a size of hash map of size 10, and once a data like 0.75% of map is full, then another map will grow its size automatically internally. So this is what a link fill ratio or load factor. So that is, as a developer, we can use that fill ratio in the constructor of link hash map. The next one is a link hash map with a hash map. Another hash map called key and value pair with m. Basically, this is used to create a link hash map with, and directly we can add the key value pairs of particular map in it. Now let's see number of methods available in link hash map. The very first one is get method, or which gives a particular value associated with a key. This is what a get method. Next is a clear method. Void clear means it clears the whole key value pairs in the particular link hash map. Another one is contains, or it actually contains check any value in a particular link hash set is present or not. So it will give the result in true or false. Now the next one is a link hash map a method which is so let's see. A link hash map is basically a class, and it implements a map interface, and it extends an hash map class. So all the properties with the map and hash map are used in the link hash map internally. So this is about the whole link hash map class in Java. Thank you so much.